What's up, guys? You're welcome to my channel once again. So without wasting time, we'll be diving straight into XYO slash USD pair on Coinbase. We'll be running some technical analysis, giving some potential pullback area and also some potential profit target area for the immediate short term. So as you can see, XYO is currently trading perfectly in a falling wedge right now, and the falling wedge is usually a bullish sign, you understand. And most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, we should expect a breakout, an upward breakout after trading for a while in a falling wedge. So as you can see, we consolidated for a while in the falling wedge. We broke out. As you can see, let me just zoom in. We broke out, went straight to 62. We went straight to 6 cent. That is 0.062, and we got rejected from there. That 0.062 was our previous support area, which we talked about in our previous video, but it's now acting as a major resistance area since XYO broke down from the level it was trading before. XYO was initially trading at around 7 cent, at 0.077, but after the BTC correction, which also took down almost all the altcoin in the crypto space, XYO also followed suit. Like, it also dipped, it corrected for a while. And well, the reason for the overall crypto market correction was as a result of the Black Friday sale. And a lot of people are recovering from the Black Friday sale now, and also cryptocurrency are recovering. So a lot of stuff went down that day because a lot of people sold their cryptos, well manipulated things, like a lot massively. So looking at Bitcoin, let's just check Bitcoin out real quick before coming back to XYO, because Bitcoin is more like the pilot of the crypto space, is more like the captain. Whatever Bitcoin says, it's what the altcoin will follow. So looking at Bitcoin chart right now, let me just on the 4-hour time frame, we are trading exactly inside the falling wedge. And also looking here, we also traded exactly inside the falling wedge. Let's head we oh my god, this is serious. We also traded exactly inside the falling wedge before breaking out. Like, let me just head to the daily time frame to make it more simpler. So falling wedge most of the time is a bullish signal, like a bullish sign. Like, we're on a daily time frame right now on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin traded inside a falling wedge for a while, you understand, and then they break out. The close of few daily candles resulted to a massive run of almost 60%, right, if I'm not mistaken. And then we traded a falling wedge right here. We broke out almost 60% plus. Still, if you have it mapped out, we broke out almost 60% plus. So here's the thing again, another scenario is playing out here. We're currently trading inside a falling wedge, and then we broke out. We closed the daily candle yesterday above the falling wedge, but not actually far outside from the falling wedge. And currently sellers are stepping in. We're trading at around $57,000. The moment we broke out of the falling wedge, we formed another candle outside the falling wedge, as you can see, and we went straight to $58,000. So right now, as long as Bitcoin is able to hold and trade outside the falling wedge for a while, I think we should be making a preparation to head to $60,000. So here's the thing, Bitcoin just broke out of the falling wedge, which we drew few days ago. So we should expect a positive price impact. Like, here is previous history. The moment they broke out of the falling wedge, sellers stepped in. As you can see, it formed a a long candle, bullish candle, and then a red one because seller stepped in. Same thing happened here. It formed a very long bullish candle, green candle, and also the next candle followed with a red one. Seller stepped in. So let's just wait. I think history is about to repeat itself, and we have a very important trend line here for Bitcoin. As you can see, here is a trend line. So as long as Bitcoin is trading above the trend line, believe me, you will still bullish. But the moment Bitcoin is breaking below this trend line, we should be expecting a price of $50,000. $50,000. And the moment Bitcoin is unable to hold that $50,000 support area, then oh my god, we should be heading to a bear trend for the short term. So, but it's not likely to happen, if you ask me, except a major negative news hits the crypto space. So I don't see that happening. I see there's a possibility of Bitcoin hitting $60,000 few hours or days from now, which is very realistic. So Bitcoin is still very much bullish. Let's just pull out a chart real quick to see what's up, because the reason why we're emphasizing on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is more like the pilot of the crypto space. Whatever direction it takes, the altcoin follows. So looking at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin, the Gosen indicator is showing that Bitcoin is still super bullish. Can you see the red indicator? It's showing that Bitcoin is still super bullish. And aside the indicator, you can see Bitcoin is trading above the 200-day EMA. Here's the EMA, the blue line you're seeing here. And that's a welcome development. That's a sign we're still very much bullish. So let's just come back to the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, let's just zoom in. You will notice we closed few 4-hour candle outside the falling wedge, which is a welcome development. And looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have a major demand area at around $60,000, $60,000 to $62,000. Looking at what the volume profile is showing us, we have a demand zone there. So Bitcoin is likely to hit $60,000 to $62,000 very fast from where it's trading right now, which is very possible. Yeah, so that's it for Bitcoin, because we have to kind of check Bitcoin out in order to know what's up. So XYO, back to XYO. So XYO is still trading inside the, what's it called, the falling wedge on the hourly time frame. So what we should, let's just head back to the 4-hour time frame. Good. So looking at the 4-hour time frame right now, let me take out this indicator. Good. So looking at the 4-hour time frame right now, we have a very big demand zone at this area. This area of 0.065 and also 0.053. So we have a very big liquidity there, and also a very large demand area there. So right now XYO is likely to break upward, except if Bitcoin goes sideways, you understand, otherwise. So the moment XYO is breaking out again from this falling wedge, we should expect a 16% pump, and that should bring the price to around 0.062. Okay, our potential price prediction for XYO before the end of this bull run still remains the same. Like, as you guys already know, XYO is yet to be listed on Binance. The moment it gets listed on Binance, is going to kind of give it more exposure, and the value, everything will increase. So XYO staking is still very much active on Gate.io, if I'm not mistaken. Gate.io is offering 543% APR for XYO stakers. So the current price for XYO is sitting at 0.054. So for XYO to get to $1, let's just head to CoinMarketCap real quick to see what's up. So for XYO to get to $1, we should expect a 1,750% pump, which is very, very realistic. That's just 10.7x. That's almost a 20x. Yeah, 17x. That's 17x. So here's the thing. Let's assume you invest $100 into XYO token right now. By the time you get to $1, your $100 should be worth around $1,850. Isn't that amazing? That's just 1,750% pump, which is very, very realistic. And it should take XYO current market cap, which is sitting at $689 million, to $13 billion, which is still very realistic because XYO is a solid project. Please permit me to bring those new to XYO up to speed real quick. So XYO, basically, let me just bring it down, is a network that aims to build a global network where users and developers can validate events that happen in a specific geospatial location. You understand? So XYO basically aims to connect the what's it called, the metaverse, to the physical world. So that's it. Please, in case you're new to my channel, consider subscribing before leaving. It really means a lot to me. As always, peace out.